everybody. Welcome to this week's Make It Monday. Thursday is Earth Day, and we are going to celebrate by making a fun dessert. And specifically, we are going to make dirt. So, how do we do this? And what do we need? It's really simple ingredients. We need pudding. We need Oreos. We need some gummy worms, a spoon, a bag to crush the Oreos, a cup, and maybe some whipped cream if you like whipped cream. Let's get started. The very first step is you're going to take your chocolate pudding. Now, we chilled ours ahead of time because Ben does not like warm pudding, but it's up to you. And you are just going to, you want to make sure you get all the pudding. So scrape off the lid, and you're going to take it and put it right into this cup, just like this. And you want to make sure you get it all out. See that? Did you get that, Ben? It should look like this. All right. Then, for the next step, you're going to take some Oreo cookies. 3, 4. We'll start with 3 and see how that looks. You can do one of two things. You can either take these apart and take the icing out, or you can leave the icing in. It's really personal preference. In this house, when we do this, everybody likes when you take the icing out. That's what you need the knife for. So just scrape the icing out just like that. Real simple. Let's do another one. Do it. 2 and 3. Okay. Put that aside. You know who would like icing? I'll bet the dogs would like icing. Maybe they'll get a treat later. Then you take your cookies and you put them in a bag, zip it up, and you know, I love these projects where you can make a little bit of a mess. So if you're having a tough day, you can use your fingers to smush these up. I'm just going to use a muddler, actually. It's the perfect size. A rolling pin would work as well. And then you're just gonna take them and start crushing them. Just like this. And you're gonna keep doing it until you get a whole lot of cookie crumbs. I did one ahead of time, so they're already fine cookie crumbs and they should look about like this. You can take them then and you're gonna pour it right on top of your pudding. Just like this. See that? Did you get this? So, doesn't this look like dirt? And then for fun, you can take these gummy worms. I've got just a few. And you can put them in the dirt. What do you think, Ben? Do you want whipped cream on top of it? No?
No, I'm good.
You're good. All right. And there you have it. Here's a fun Earth Day dessert. Ben's gonna enjoy this after we go off camera, so I'm not gonna try it. This week, this is our Go Pack of the week. We have everything that you see here, minus the whipped cream, in our Go Packs. You will have a choice of chocolate or vanilla pudding, and you'll have a bunch of Oreos and the worms, so you can make this project at home. I'd love to know what you think about this project, so please let us know on our Instagram page. And if you make it, we love to get pictures of this. And if you're really into gardening, we've got some really great gardening books at the library in a special April bin. So come in and visit us. I will be back next week, and we are going to do a flower painting project. So until then, I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope to see you in soon to pick up one of the Go Packs. Have a great week.